Most gardeners are exhausted because they keep growing fragile crops that demand perfect soil, constant watering and non-stop attention. Yet history tells a very different story. For centuries, people relied on vegetables that thrived in poor soil, survived drought, ignored pests, and came back year after year with almost no care. These plants weren't delicate. They were relentless. Somewhere along the way, modern gardening forgot them. And that's a mistake, because these forgotten vegetables are the lazy gardener's greatest advantage. This is not about rare curiosities or novelty plants. These are proven, resilient food crops that behave like weeds, grow fast, self-seed freely, and keep producing even when conditions are far from ideal. For nature's blueprint growers, these plants represent food security, low effort, and reliable harvests with minimal input. Modern vegetables have been bred for uniformity, shipping, and shelf life, not resilience. Forgotten vegetables evolved under pressure. They adapted to poor soil, irregular rainfall, and minimal care. This makes them naturally pest-resistant, drought-tolerant, and forgiving of mistakes. Once established, many of these plants outcompete weeds, shade the soil, and regenerate themselves season after season. They don't wait for perfect conditions. They grow whenever they can. Several forgotten vegetables are perennials that return every year without replanting. Walking onions multiply underground and above ground, spreading effortlessly. Asparagus pushes through compacted soil each spring without fertilizer. Sea kale thrives in sandy or rocky ground where other crops fail. Perennial leeks bulk up slowly but reliably, producing year after year with almost no attention. These plants build deep roots that access moisture far below the surface. Once established, drought becomes a minor inconvenience instead of a threat. Good King Henry, lamb's quarters and sorrel grow aggressively in poor soil and partial shade. Lamb's quarters often appear uninvited, yet they rival spinach in nutrition and tolerate heat far better. Sorrel returns early each spring and keeps producing through cold and heat swings. These greens don't bolt easily and recover quickly after harvest. Jerusalem artichokes, skirret and salsify break through compacted soil with ease. Jerusalem artichokes grow tall, shade weeds, and produce heavy underground harvests even in neglected areas. Skirret forms clusters of sweet roots without needing loose soil. Salsify thrives where carrots struggle and, actually improves soil structure as it grows. Tomatillos, ground cherries, and perennial peppers often reseed themselves once established. Just drop a few fruits, and you'll find new plants emerging the following season without any effort at all. These plants tolerate heat, irregular watering, and poor soil far better than their cultivated relatives. Cowpeas, pigeon peas, and fava beans grow aggressively while improving soil fertility. Cowpeas thrive in heat and poor soil where common beans fail. Pigeon peas function as both food and shrub, producing edible peas while stabilizing soil and feeding microbes. Fava beans grow through cool seasons and regenerate nitrogen without fertilizer. Malabar spinach climbs aggressively and produces edible leaves all season long in heat that, kills regular spinach. Chayote vines grow massive with almost no care, producing heavy yields once established. Winged beans climb, flower, and produce edible pods, leaves and roots in difficult conditions. Self-seeding is not a flaw. It is resilience. Many forgotten vegetables drop seed naturally and return where conditions suit them. Instead of fighting this behavior, smart gardeners guide it. Thin excess seedlings, transplant volunteers, and let strong plants decide where they thrive. Most of these vegetables do not require fertilizer. However, light biological support accelerates growth without dependency. A simple soil tonic can be made by mixing 1 cup of worm castings into 1 gallon of water, stirring thoroughly, and applying directly to the soil at planting. Overfeeding reduces resilience. These plants perform best when allowed to grow tough. These vegetables evolved without human control. When left alone, they balance growth naturally. Overwatering, over-fertilizing, and constant pruning actually reduce their performance. Plant them, mulch lightly, water during establishment, and then step back. The less you interfere, the better they perform. Forgotten vegetables fit perfectly into raised beds, food forests, and mixed plantings. Use tall growers like Jerusalem artichokes as windbreaks. Instead of organizing your garden around rows, organize it around resilience. The most reliable food plants are not the most popular ones. They are the ones that refuse to die. Forgotten vegetables grow like weeds because they were never bred to need us. That independence is their greatest strength. When you grow crops that thrive under neglect, gardening stops feeling like work and starts feeling like abundance. If this guide opened your eyes to easier, smarter gardening, subscribe to Nature's Blueprint for more timeless growing strategies. Share this with a gardener who's tired of struggling crops, and start building a garden that thrives even when life gets busy.